Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you how to make a really good sandwich that is suitable for breakfast or brunch or even late dinner if you fancy. Anyway, I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 1 thick slice of white bread, 1 or 2 eggs depending on the size of your toast, 1 medium-sized avocado, a little bit of tomatoes that I've chopped up into fine pieces. These are cherry tomatoes. You can also use just a regular tomato. Some spring onion, also chopped really fine. Some Sriracha mayonnaise. You can also leave it out if you want to make your toast a bit more healthy, but I'm not going for healthy, I'm just going for delicious. If you want the recipe for this sauce, I'm going to leave a link in the comment section below, and I'm also going to link the video in the cards. A little bit of garlic. This is also more of a personal choice. I'm going to explain it to you later when we're going to use this. And finally, some pepper and some salt. Let's do it. First of all, toast your bread. You can do this in the oven or in a pan, but I'm going to do it in a plain old toaster. While your bread is being toasted, cut up the avocado, first in 2. By now, I think everybody knows how to cut an avocado. Then remove the pit, if you can hit the pit. Please don't hit your fingers. Split in 2, that's new. I'm just gonna pop it out of there. Remove the skin, or you can also cut the avocado in the skin if you want. It's more of a personal preference. There we go, and then just slice it up into thin slices. You can also turn it into guacamole and then spread it on your toast that way. But I kinda like the aesthetic of the sliced up avocado. There you go, nice and sliced. Set it aside, and now we can start with the egg. Well, our toast is a bit overdone. I'm just going to scrape off the burnt parts and then continue. Take a pan, put it on a fire, turn your fire down to low, add a little bit of olive oil and let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, crack your egg in there. I'm going to fry my egg sunny side up. You can fry your egg any way you like. The trick to a really good sunny side up egg is to fry it on a really low fire and just be patient. And also do not season it until the end, because if you add salt now, your egg is just going to become quite watery. There you go, my egg is done. Turn off the fire and now let's plate it up. Alright, our toast is done, our egg is done, now everything is going to come together. Remember that garlic I told you about? This is a small trick that I always use and makes your toast so much more delicious. You take your garlic and just rub it on the surface of your toast. Because the toast is rough, it rubs off really nice and gives your toast that extra flavor. On top of that, a bit of Sriracha mayonnaise. If you're making this healthy, you can leave out the mayonnaise and just add the garlic. On top of that, sprinkle some tomatoes, then the avocado, and on top of that, of course, our egg. Sprinkle some spring onion on top, and finally season it with some pepper and some salt. And there you go, you have yourself a super delicious breakfast or brunch sandwich. I'm just going to make it a bit photo ready. There you go. So, I hope that you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, you can always leave a like or subscribe to our channel. We post a video every Wednesday for you to devour. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.